ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। अनुपलब्धि प्रमाण। व्हाट इज योग्य अनुपलब्धि?
तर्कित प्रतियोगी तत्व प्रसंजित प्रतियोगिकत्व.
Somebody else can give the answer.
तर्कित प्रतियोगी सत्व प्रसिद्ध प्रतियोगिकत्व.
Anybody else?
तर्कित प्रतियोगी सत्व प्रसंजित प्रतियोगिकत्व.
One more person.
तर्कित प्रतियोगी सत्व प्रसंजित प्रतियोगिकत्व.
The meaning of this is that when all the other karanas are present, then that pratyogi upalabdhi jnanam should be there. Then on the strength of that, pratyogi anupalabdhi can be recognized if the ghata is or the pratyogi is absent. So pratyogi's anupalabdhi, non-cognition, becomes pramanam. Anupalabdhi becomes pramanam. Now Nayayika has a shanka. Page 148 in Tika. Nayayikaha shankate. ननु उक्तरीत्या अधिकरण इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष स्थले अभावस्य अनुपलब्धि गम्यत्वम अनुमतम तत्र क्लुप्त इंद्रियम एव अभावाकार वृत्तावपि करणम. उक्तरीत्या by this method अधिकरण इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष स्थले, when adhikarana indriya sannikarsh happens, bhutala and indriya sannikarsh, when it happens, abhavasya anupalabdhi gamyatvam anumatam. Anumatam means is accepted, is agreed upon. Abhavasya anupalabdhi gamyatvam. There Vedanti
Voice is breaking, Swamiji.
is called anupalabdha. That non-available. Can you are here?
Yes, Swamiji.
We missed the last few lines.
Starting from Purvapaksha, we could not hear.
Can others hear or not?
No, Swamiji.
No, Swami.
Nobody can hear me now?
Now we can hear you, Swamiji, but we missed the last two lines, what you were telling.
So Anupalabdhi, Nayyayikah Shankate. I will start from there. ननु उक्तरीत्या अधिकरण इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष स्थले अभावस्य अनुपलब्धि गम्यत्वम् अनुमतम्. अधिकरण इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष, अधिकरण इज भूतल, इंद्रिय इज चक्षुरिंद्रिय, भूतल. So we don't call this as adhisthana. Adhikaran shabda is used differently. Adhisthana shabda is used differently. This also you should note. What is the adhishthanam of ghata?
Mrittika.
Guptika.
Mrittika, not bhutala. That's why they use the word adhikarana. So there is no confusion. अधिकरण इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष स्थले अभावस्य अनुपलब्धि गम्यत्वम्. अभाव is अनुपलब्धि गम्य. अनुपलब्धि means non-availability. Something which is not available is called anupalabdha. अभावस्य अनुपलब्धि गम्यत्वम् अनुमतम्. That is what you have mentioned, agreed upon. तत्र कृप्त इंद्रियम् एव अभावाकार वृत्तावपि करणम्. Kripta means siddha, what is accepted. That indriya is the karana for any vishaya. It's abhava. Pratyogi's abhava, abhavakara vritti also will have pratyaksha as its karanam, indriyam as its karanam. Indriyam eva abhavakara vrittavapi karanam. Indriya anvaya vyatireka anuvidhanat iti chet. Because when indriya is there, then alone the vishaya becomes known. So the same is true for abhava also. In Tika it is given. Tatra means tadrisha sthale. Tripta sambhave apurva kalpanam anyayam. Tripta means possible. Now some illegal, anyayam. What is the sutra?
Last two sentences you could not hear, Swamiji.
धर्मपत्यर्थ न्यायाद अनपेति.
Can others hear or not?
Swamiji, we missed it when you
Yes,
said
Swamiji.
klipta. Klipta meaning is, and we missed it. The next line we missed.
Here it's clear, Swamiji. Clear, Swamiji.
Klipta means siddha. It is very well known, accepted that indriyam eva abhavakara vrittavapi karanam. Indriyam alone is karana for abhavakara vritti, according to Purva Paksha. How does he prove that? Through anvaya vyatireka. So in Tika, तादृशस्थले, तत्र means तादृशस्थले क्लृप्त संभवे. What is siddha? If it is possible, then to do kalpana of apurva, what is not already known, is anyayam. Why? इत्यर्थः. इंद्रिय सत्वे अभाव ज्ञानम तदभावे तदभाव. According to Purva Paksha, this is the Anvaya Vyatireka. Iti Anvaya Vyatirekoyoho Anuvidhanat. Indriya Sattve Abhava Jnanam. Ghata Abhava becomes known when there is Chakshurindriya. And Ghata Abhava does not get known to a blind person. Indriya Bhave. Because of this Anvaya Vyatireka Anuvidhanat means Anurodhat. Nasti mama gauravam pratyuta tavaiva mahad gauravam adhate. Vedanti says, my matam have gauravam, you have mahad gauravam, tavaiva mahad gauravam iti ashayana samadhate. Na. In Mulam, तत्प्रतियोगी अनुपलब्धेः अपि अभावग्रहे हेतुत्वेन तृप्तत्वेन करणत्व मात्रस्य कल्पनात्. तत्प्रतियोगी अनुपलब्धेः अपि अभावग्रहे हेतुत्वेन प्रतियोगी अनुपलब्धेः अपि अभावग्रहे हेतुत्वेन. इन अभावग्रहण प्रतियोगी अनुपलब्धि तृप्तत्वेन करणत्व मात्रस्य कल्पना. सो करणत्व is how it is used. Pratyogis anupalabdhi. Pratyogi means abhava pratyogi. Abhava pratyogis anupalabdhi. Anupalabdhi means it is not available. That is also a karana. And we don't say that one of the karana is that indriya for the jnanam. But asadharana karana, which becomes karana, that asadharana karana is anupalabdhi. Asadharana karana is not indriya. In टीका संयुक्त विशेषणता संबंधस्य अनंगीकारात् प्रमाण शून्यत्वाच्च इति अभिप्रेत्य आह. संयुक्त विशेषणता संबंधस्य अनंगीकारात्. संयुक्त विशेषणता संबंध means what is the sambandha between Chakshurindriya and Ghata Rupa according to Tarkika?
संयुक्त समवेत.
Huh? What is the sambandha?
संयुक्त समवेत समवाय.
And what is the sambandha between Chakshurindriya and Rupatva?
Sorry, that is संयुक्त समवेत समवाय. First,
Sanyukta Samvaya. Between Chakshurindriya and Gata Rupa, it is Sanyukta Samvaya only, not Sanyukta Samaveta Samvaya. So Sanyukta Visheshanata Sambandhasya Anangikarat. Siddhanti does not accept such Sambandha. Pramana Shunyatvacha iti abhipratya. Because that Sambandha is not known through Pramana. Or you say Ghata Abhava. Because for Purvapakshi, Abhava is known through Visheshyana Visheshya Bhava. So for Abhava, Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha. And here it is Sanyukta Visheshanata Sambandha. There is no Indriya Sanyoga with Pratyogi because Pratyogi is not present. It is absent. So Sanyukta Visheshanata Sambandha se Anangikara. Pramana Shunyatvat. Indriya does not become Pramana because there is no Sannikarsha with Pratyogi. So therefore that Jnanam is not known through Pratyaksha Pramana. Pratyaksha is not the Pramanam there. In Mulam, Indriyasya cha abhavena samam sannikarsha abhavena abhava graha ahetutvat. Indriyasya abhavena samam sannikarsha abhavena. Indriya and abhava, between them sannikarsha is not taking place. Indriyasya abhavena samam means sahita, not sahita, saha actually. Indriyasya abhavena saha sannikarsha abhavena. There is no sannikarsha between them. Abhava graha ahetutvat. Therefore, their abhava jnanam is not through indriya. ननु सन्निकर्ष अभाव प्रत्युक्त हेतुत्व अभावो असिद्ध इंद्रिय अन्वय व्यतिरेक बरेन तस्य कल्प्यत्वात् इति आशंका. Somebody says sannikarsha abhava that you are saying is refuted. Pratyukta hetutva abhavo asiddha. Sannikarsha abhava pratyukta hetutva abhava is asiddha. Sannikarsha, who is saying sannikarsha is there?
Nayayika.
Nayayika will say there is sannikarsha between indriya and abhava. Sannikarsha abhava pratyukta. Pratyukta hetu, so the hetu that Vedanti gave, pratyukta hetutva abhavo asiddha. Asiddha by न्याय मत है। Why? Because there is Indriya Anvaya Vyatireka. So each pada, if you want to understand, one number tippani, where is one number? Sannikarsh. Just understand this way. Sannikarsha abhava. Sannikarsha with abhava. It's pratyukta. The answer given by pratyukta hetutva given by Vedanti, that Sannikarsha is not there with the abhava, is asiddha according to Nayayika. Why? Indriya Anvaya Vyatireka balena. Therefore, tasya kalpyatvat iti ashankya. The kalpana of pratyaksha pramana required for anupalabdhi is based on Indriya Anvaya Vyatireka according to Nayayika. In Mulam, Indriya Anvaya Vyatireka yoho. So Siddhanti said, Indriyasya cha abhavena samam sannikarsha abhavena abhavagraha ahetutvat. That is the pratika for Indriya. Second pratika, Indriya iti. Indriya vyatirekayoho adhikarana jnanadi upakshenattvena anyatha siddhehe. Indriya vyatirekayoho अन्वय व्यतिरेक इंद्रिय अन्वय व्यतिरेक is कृतार्थ only in अधिकरण ज्ञानादि उपक्षीणत्वेन, and therefore it is अन्यथा सिद्ध. टीका अन्यथा सिद्धेः सन्निकर्षादिना एव सार्थक्यात्. The sannikarsha with adhikarana is where anvaya vyatireka of indriya is sarthaka. Adipadena pratyogi jnana sangraha. For pratyogi jnana, you can use anvaya vyatireka of indriya. But pratyogi abhava jnana is through anupalabdhi pramana. Abhava graha ahetutve ayam hetu. So, abhavagraha, in the Moolam it was given, Sannikarsha abhavena abhavagraha ahetutvat. Abhavagraha ahetu. In that, what is the hetu? Abhavagraha ahetutve ayam hetu. This is the karana for which we don't accept Indriya as the karana, asadharana karana. In Tippani, they have given some part bheda. There is no additional information. But that one part, instead of samam, he says that in the second line, Sannikarshadina eva ityasya abhavena samam. This part is not there. Sarthakyad ityasya indriya anvaya vyatirekayoho adhikaranena saha. Instead of samam, this saha, adhikaranena saha, sannikarshad api sarthakyad ityarthah. What is the meaning of sarthakya? This is the meaning. Indriya anvaya vyatirekoyoho adhikaranena saha sannikarsha. Further, in Tika. Nanu भवत् सिद्धान्ते अपि अभाव प्रमायाः प्रत्यक्षता एव समायाति अतः कथं तत्करणम् अनुपलब्धिः इति शंकते. पूर्वपक्ष says in your siddhant also भवत् सिद्धान्ते अपि अभाव प्रमायाः प्रत्यक्षता एव समायाति. अभाव प्रमा प्रत्यक्षता एव. अभाव प्रमा is also pratyaksha to you. He doesn't say pratyaksha pramana according to you. According to Siddhanti, abhava jnanam is pratyaksha. So he say abhava pramayaha pratyakshata eva samayati. Atah katham tat karanam anupalabdhihi. So then why do you say karanam is anupalabdhi? Iti shankate. Nanu. ननु उक्तरीत्या अधिकरण इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष स्थले when अधिकरण and इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष happens अभावस्य अनुपलब्धि गम्यत्वम् अनुमतम् तत्र. So in the where you say अधिकरण and इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष takes place, अभाव is अनुपलब्धि प्रमाण गम्य. Okay. No, this we completed, right? Next. ननु भूतले घटो न इत्यादि अभाव अनुभव स्थले भूतलांशे प्रत्यक्षत्वम् उभय सिद्धम इति. भूतले घटो न, in भूतले there is no घट. इत्यादि अनुभव स्थले, in इत्यादि अभाव अनुभव स्थले, where this अभाव अनुभव takes place, भूतलांशे प्रत्यक्षत्वम् अनुभव सिद्धम, not अनुभय, अनुभव सिद्धम. In भूतल अंश प्रत्यक्षत्वम् is अनुभव सिद्ध इति. तत्र वृत्ति निर्गमनस्य आवश्यकत्वेन, वृत्ति has to go out in बहिर्देश, and wherever you say there is abhava. So if I say tatra bhutale ghatabhava, indriya sannikarsa should happen there. Tatra indriya tatra ghatabhava, if I say bhutale, then indriya sannikarsa should happen there. So in this way, vritti nirgamana should happen. Antakarana vritti through that chakshur indriya or shrotra indriya, etc. It should go there. वृत्ति निर्गमनस्य आवश्यकत्वेन भूतलावच्छिन्न चैतन्यवत् तन्निष्ठ घटाभाववत् घटाभाव अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्यापि प्रमात्र भिन्नतया घटाभावस्य प्रत्यक्षता एव सिद्धान्ते अपि इति चेत्. So vritti nirgamana is avashyaka. Therefore, bhutala avachhinna chaitanya and ghata bhava avachhinna chaitanya, both are one, because both are chaitanya. Bhutala avachhinna chaitanya, there where bhutala jnanam takes place, and ghata avachhinna chaitanya. This we saw according to Prabhakar Mata, abhava is We saw this in Kiranavali. According to Prabhakar Mata, Abhava is Adhikarana Swarupa. Abhava is not different from Adhikarana. So Bhutalavachinna Chaitanyavat Tannishta Ghata Bhava Avachinna Chaitanya is also not different from Pramata, which is Antakarana Avachinna Chaitanya. Abhinnataya Ghata Abhavasya Pratyakshata eva Siddhante api. So Bhutala and Antakarana. Bhutalavachinna Chaitanya, Antakaranavachinna Chaitanya, and Ghatabhava Avachinna Chaitanya, all three Chaitanya are one. So then Ghatabhava is also Pratyaksha only. This is how we studied Pratyaksha Pramana earlier, or Pratyaksha Prama earlier. Not Pratyaksha Pramana, Pratyaksha Prama. Siddhanti says Satyam, yes. See in Tika. Adipadena Stambhe Pishacho Na Ityadi Sangraha. So here, Bhutale Ghatona, when you say Bhutale Ghatona, Ghato, huh? Not Ghata, Ghato. Like that, Stambhe Pishachona, etc. इत्यादि संग्रह तत्र तादृश स्थले तन्निष्ठ means bhutala nishtha. Siddhanti does ardha angikara. When he says satyam, partially he agrees. Ardhangikarena pariharati satyam. Yadyapi abhavasya pratyakshatva yogyatva abhavat. Abhava is not pratyaksha, that we already said. Abhavasya pratyakshatva yogyatva abhavat. शब्दजन्य स्वनिष्ठ धर्मादि ज्ञानवत न अभाव ज्ञानस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वम्. शब्दजन्य स्वनिष्ठ धर्म, that jnana and this ghata abhava jnana, Siddhanti compares, he says they are same. Abhava jnana na pratyakshatvam means the prama and karana are two different in this case. Prama karana can be pratyaksha, prama need not be pratyaksha. Or prama karana need not be pratyaksha, prama can be pratyaksha. So here he says, because we already said that the jnanam should have pratiyogi, should be yogya. So that yogyatva, if it is not there, then pratyaksha will not become karana. But jnanam can be pratyaksha. So he said, yadyapi abhavasya pratyakshatva yogyatva abhavat. Because abhava is not pratyaksha yogya, therefore, like shabdajanya swanishtha dharma. Swanishtha dharma means, he gives the example, dashamaha. I am 10th man. Dashamaha, I will hear the words shabda. The jnanam that takes place, he says it is pratyaksha. Jnana karana is shabda. So prama karana is shabda. Prama is pratyaksha. Prama is pratyaksha because he says Prama is direct or aparoksha. So Pramana is Shabda Pramana, but Jnanam is pratyaksha. Like that here, Pramana is Anupalabdhi. And Jnanam that will take place, it will be pratyaksha. So he gives in Moolam, see. Abhava pratitehe pratyakshatve api. Abhava pratiti, you say, I see right here, it is pratyaksha. Abhava pratitehe pratyakshatve api. Tad karana is anupalabdhi. Tad karanasya anupalabdehe, anupalabdhi which is manantara, pramanantara. Because a different pramana is required here, different from pratyaksha. Why? What is the rule that you are going by? He says, nahi phalibhuta jnanasya pratyakshatre tat karanasya pratyaksha pramanata niyatatvam asti. Phalibhuta jnanam, the culminating knowledge can be pratyaksha, but its karana need not be pratyaksha. Phalibhuta jnanasya pratyakshatve, even if that is pratyaksha, tat karanasya pratyaksha pramanata niyatatvam, its karana having pratyaksha pramanata all the time, every time. In every case, if jnanam is pratyaksha, phalibhuta means final culminating knowledge. If that is pratyaksha, karana also has to be pratyaksha. There is no such rule. Where do you see vyabhichara? Dashamastvamasi ityadi vakya janya jnanasya. Dashamastvamasi, this vakya janya jnanam is pratyaksham. This we saw in pratyaksha pramana topic. There he said, Dashamastvamasi jnanam prama is pratyaksha. But its karana is vakya. Tat karanasya vakyasya pratyaksha pramana bhinna pramanatva abhyupagamat. Pratyaksha pramana bhinna pramana means which pramana? Anybody else? Are you all able to hear or not?
Shabda Pramana.
Yes, Swamiji.
Shabda Pramana.
What is the Shabda Pramana? Dashamastvamasi, where is Anupalabdhi? Dashamastvamasi, this Vakya Janya Jnanam is known through Pramana. There is Shabda Pramana. Jnanam is Pratyaksha. So, Jnanasya Pratyakshatva api tat karanasya Vakyasya Pratyaksha Pramana bhinna pramanatva abhyupagamat. In Tika. यद्यपि अभावस्य प्रत्यक्षत्व योग्यत्व, see we read this already, यद्यपि अभावस्य प्रत्यक्षत्व योग्यत्व अभाव अभावात, अभाव has to be pratyaksha yogya, but it is not, it is pratyakshatva yogya abhavat. Like shabdajanya swanishtha dharma, swanishtha is dashamatva, shabdajanya swanishtha dharmadi jnanavat. How that is not pratyaksha, this abhava jnanam is also na pratyakshatvam. Tasya na pratyakshatvam. Pratyaksha lakshane yogyattvasyapi विषय विशेषणत्वेन उक्तत्वात्. प्रत्यक्ष लक्षणे योग्यत्वस्यापि in pratyaksha lakshana, yogyatva, that is also a visheshana required. It should be yogya. तथापि अभाव प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्षत्वयोः न तद योग्य अयोग्यत्वे तंत्रे. अभाव प्रत्यक्ष and अभाव अप्रत्यक्ष, in that तद योग्य अयोग्यत्वे, योग्यत्व and अयोग्यत्व of that is not the tantra, means is not the prayojaka. It does not become the means. But what is the means? किंतु प्रतियोगी अनुपलब्धि योग्यत्व अयोग्यत्व. So whether the object is experienced as pratyaksha or not, that is not the criteria. The pratiyogi of that, its anupalabdhi is yogya or ayogya. That is the criteria. Pratiyogi anupalabdhi yogya ayogyatve, yogya ayogyatve
तंत्रे
kim?
प्रयोजकम्
Tantre. They will become tantra, means they will become prayojaka. If the pratiyogi yogya, pratiyogi anupalabdhi is yogya, then you say that vastu becomes available for abhava pratyaksha. And that we have already clarified earlier. तथा अनुपदम एव अस्य अर्थस्य स्पष्टीकृतत्वात् अभाव प्रत्यक्षत्वे न अभ्युपेत्य वाद आश्रयणीय. So therefore in abhav pratyaksha abhyupetya vada na ashrayaniya. So you should not say that abhava is known through pratyaksha pramana. ननु तस्याः प्रत्यक्षत्वे कथं तत् करणस्य मानान्तरत्वम्. तस्याः प्रत्यक्षत्वे, तस्याः सी 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. अभाव प्रतीतेः प्रत्यक्षत्वे तत्करणस्य प्रमाणस्य अपि प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणता उचिता इति दृष्टबलेन शंकते. पूर्वपक्ष शंका is if अभाव प्रतीति, so तस्याः means अभाव प्रतीतेः प्रत्यक्षत्वे, if अभाव प्रतीति is प्रत्यक्ष, then its karana pramana also should be pratyaksha. tat karanasya pramanasyapi pratyaksha pramanata uchita iti drishta balena shankate. So he shows this shanka on the strength of drishta bala. This is seen. Nanu tasyaha pratyakshatve katham tat karanasya manantaram, means pramanantaram. Jnanam is pratyaksha. Abhava pratiti is pratyaksha. But you say pramanam is different. Because Siddhanti said there is no niyama that if jnanam, the phalibhuta jnanam, if it is pratyaksha, then it is not necessary that pramana also has to be pratyaksha only. Karana can be different. And still phalibhuta jnanam can be pratyaksha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।